Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, the last Tuesday of February. We're expecting our temps to be up to in the 70s this afternoon. I don't know if we'll get that far or not, but we do have a project. Jerry's on his way back with a backhoe, and we've got about 6 hours to use it and get some things taken care of. So Gertrudes are all saying hi, and you can hear one of the goats in the back. I'll take you out there in just a few minutes. I'm doing my morning goat check before he gets home. So come along for a fun day. Here comes our project.
Morning.
Morning.
We want to be sure that we shout out these four state equipment rentals.
These guys are awesome. For State Equipment Rental went in about 2 years ago?
Huh?
Went in about a year ago.
About 3 years ago.
With 3 years. We've rented from them several times. They were on Highway 86. They were on Highway 86, which is about 5 miles down the road for us, give or take, and had the opportunity to move on to the old MoDOT yard that's in Neosho, and that's where Jerry had to go this morning to get this. So it's not quite as convenient, but they're still pretty good guys. For State Equipment Rental in Missouri. Okay, he's got himself all unchained, and now he's going down their little ramps. We always had a hitch, we just don't have all these.
That's scary.
He said you can't hear him, but he says that was a little scary going down those last few inches, I think. So I've got grain to put in a mule to distract our calves so we can do our job out there. And I'm going to load that up in the mule and back myself out. He's making it through some T-posts because he doesn't want to come down this mud fest right here. We've got some heavy duty, can't think of the word. I know what I want to say. We talked about it last night because we knew we had quite a bit of mud tracks and it's not easy for the mule, but anyway, he went between the T-posts over there and he's coming around this way. I'm going to go over and throw some feed in the bunkers for the calves to keep them out of the way while we've got the gate open. I think what's going on speaks for itself on this piece. No sound. I just can't get enough of this cuteness. All the babies are starting to get a tad bit independent, which is good because the last two born, which were the little black one right here in the middle and Nutmeg, which Bearded Lady is the mother, the black one, she's the one on the left here at the forefront. Nutmeg is to the right. And theirs were the youngest born, and they seem to be acclimating very well out here. Daytime temperatures are great. Nighttime temperatures maybe a little bit on the chill, but they've got their mamas, they've got dry beds, so they seem to be doing quite well. When we dig something on our property, we have no rock, or very little. We get like pebbles, we don't get big rocks. And we also have when we have to dig on our property, we can only go, how deep is that?
5 to 7 foot.
About 7 foot down. 5 to 6 to 7 foot down. And they usually end up pinning limestone down when we get to that level. And that's as far as we're able to go. And we're just doing some cleanup, and then we'll go to the next phase.
What do you think? Good enough thing?
Now the dirt goes back in. Should go a little bit faster than taking it out. And because this field is so soggy out here right now, still with the snow that's melted, it's really, really soft. I've got these panels out here that we're going to put around this spot to keep the calves off of it so they don't get, walking on it and get stuck or have, break their leg or something. We're also, hi girls! We're also expecting some rain next week. So, yeah, I may have to get another panel, not sure, but that's the plan. He says his hands are a little cold, so it gets a little extra jerk, I guess, on the levers. Pretty slick. I was afraid that I might be out here with a shovel and rake helping to get this hole filled up, but this little excavator has a shovel edged on this front, which is awesome. Okay, I'm going to stop and I got to go back to the house, actually the tack room, and get a tote of seed because we want to seed this area since we're going to be blocking it off. So by the time I get back, I bet he's probably got this hole pretty well taken care of. Okay, he says that he's about done out here with this because it's so sticky. You can see the water come, you know, in the mud and whatever. And of course, there's this little tributary water here. So we are going to, we thought about putting grass seed out here right now, which is what I went to get, but we're going to rototiller this area when it's drier, and then we'll seed it with what we got. So we're going to put up the panels, I guess, and block this off from the calves. So.
What? You know, she was a good horse.
Well, I never even said what it was.
Oh,
yes, we mentioned it on our live, but we did bury our oldest horse. She was 25 and a half.
So hopefully this ground, you get some rain and then I'll have to come out here roadkill this up, maybe I can move this level this off better. There's a big old swamp over there.
Right. So, we're going to put the panels up and we'll come and finish off this part of Project 1 for the second sunny day of this week. All right, we have pinned off our area, and like I said before, we're going to let it set for a couple of months. Settle, let the dirt and everything settle, and then, you know, late spring, maybe even May, we'll be out here with the rototill it and get it all ready to get some seed up on it. So this part, Project 1, is done. Girls say thank you for the head rubbing equipment, and we'll catch up with you later.
See y'all next time. Have a great day.